Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the ETA Calculator module within the Sinay Hub. This module will allow you to get a reliable and accurate prediction of the arrival time of a selected vessel in your port. So to do so, you need to select the vessel that you want to track. So to do so, you need to enter the MMSI or IMO number of the vessel. This will then make appear the details of the vessel here. So you can confirm that this is indeed the vessel you want to track by clicking Next. Then the current position of the vessel will also automatically be pulled through our system. So as you can see here, the vessel that I've pulled is off the coast of Mexico. So if you want to track the vessel starting from this point of departure, you can confirm the position or select another port of departure if you want to do so. Then you need to select the departure time of the vessel. So if you want to track the vessel starting from a point right now, you can confirm the departure date or select an ulterior departure time using the calendar function. Finally, to obtain the predicted time of arrival of your vessel, you need to select the arrival point of your choice. So for instance, for this current vessel, if I want to calculate when it will arrive at the port of Amsterdam, for instance, you select Amsterdam and click Create. This will then give you the predicted time of arrival of the selected ship at the port of your destination. All of this calculation is also available directly through our APIs, so please contact us if you have any more information needed.